In this tutorial, in this lecture, we'll discuss how to research the market of stock photography. Research.peak workflow is an amazing research tool, gives you a rating for possible search queries to evaluate the sales potential of your ideas, of your thinking or topics or concepts, and to refine the titles, keywords for your photos. Here you can write a phrase, a such search query the buyer may want to buy. For example, I have written a phrase email teamwork, another phrase people teamwork, another phrase lovely flower. The tool will show how many photos are available on this keyword in this market, in this stock photography market. The VF will show the views per file, and the D per F will show the downloads per file. And the rating column shows a number estimating the chance of a sale if the buyer used that search. There are a couple of cool factors regarding this tool. If you are an amazing photographer, anything over 20 or 25 is good. But if you're not an amazing photographer, you are just average quality photographer, then something 100 or 200 will be better for you. On the other fact, anything over a few thousand is probably a false positive with either too few images to predict reliably. So skip the values which is couple of thousands